As a small business owner or a manager overseeing financial operations, the decision of whether to handle bookkeeping in-house or outsource it is a recurring one. While do-it-yourself accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero has made basic financial tracking more accessible, the complexities of tax compliance, financial reporting, and strategic financial planning often necessitate expert help. This brings us to services like Bookkeeper 360, which combines technology with human expertise. The burning question for many is, should I pay for Bookkeeper 360? Let's dissect what Bookkeeper 360 offers and help you determine if it's a worthwhile investment for your business. What is Bookkeeper 360? Bookkeeper 360 is not just a software. It's a comprehensive financial technology solution designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It essentially acts as an outsourced finance department, providing a suite of services that typically include core bookkeeping. This is the foundation. It involves managing your daily transactions, categorizing expenses, reconciling bank accounts and credit cards, and ensuring your books are accurate and up-to-date. They support both cash and accrual basis accounting. Financial reporting. Beyond just recording transactions, they provide monthly or weekly financial reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports are crucial for understanding your business's performance. Tax services. Bookkeeper 360 offers business and personal tax preparation, tax planning, and advisory services. This often includes preparing and filing various tax forms, e.g., income tax, sales tax, payroll, and HR. They can handle payroll processing, including direct deposits, W-2s and 1099s, PTO tracking, and even offer certified HR experts and workers' comp insurance guidance. They often integrate with popular payroll platforms like Gusto. CFO advisory services. For businesses seeking deeper financial guidance, Bookkeeper 360 provides fractional CFO services. This includes cash flow optimization, KPI, key performance indicator, analysis, forecasting, budgeting, and strategic financial planning. This is akin to having a part-time chief financial officer without the full-time salary. Back office support. This can include managing accounts receivable, invoicing clients, and accounts payable, paying bills, expense management, and even inventory management for specific industries. Technology integration. Bookkeeper 360 primarily works with QuickBooks Online and Xero, leveraging their platforms while adding their own proprietary dashboard, Astroboards, for real-time financial insights. Crucially, Bookkeeper 360 prides itself on having a 100% US-based team of accountants and CPAs. This means you're working with professionals who understand US tax laws and business practices. The pricing structure, what you pay for. Bookkeeper 360 offers various pricing tiers, generally based on your monthly expenses and the frequency of service, monthly or weekly. They also have a pay-as-you-go option for project-based work or on-call support. Bookkeeping plans. These start from around $399 per month for cash-basis accounting for businesses with up to $20,000 in monthly expenses, and increase as your expenses grow. Accrual-basis accounting plans are typically more expensive. Bookkeeping plus tax plans. These bundles typically start from about $599 per month. Add-on services, payroll, back-office support, invoicing/bill pay, and sales tax services are usually additional fees on top of the core bookkeeping packages. Fractional CFO services. These are the highest tier, starting from around $1,599 per month. One-time projects/cleanup, charged hourly, e.g., $150 per hour, or as a project fee, starting at $1,000. This layered pricing means you can tailor the services to your needs, but it also means the cost can escalate quickly if you opt for many add-ons or have high monthly expenses. When should you consider paying for Bookkeeper 360? Paying for Bookkeeper 360 makes sense for specific types of businesses and scenarios. Growing small businesses. If your business is expanding rapidly, and your financial transactions are becoming too complex or time-consuming for you to handle manually or with basic software, Bookkeeper 360 can provide the scalability you need. Time-strapped entrepreneurs/owners. Your core focus should be on revenue-generating activities and strategic growth. If you're spending too much time on bookkeeping, which isn't your expertise, outsourcing to Bookkeeper 360 frees up valuable time. Businesses needing expert financial guidance. If you require insights beyond basic financial reports, such as cash flow forecasting, budgeting, or KPI analysis, and can't justify a full-time CFO, their fractional CFO service can be highly valuable. Desire for accuracy and compliance. If you're worried about making errors in your books, staying compliant with tax regulations, or preparing for audits, a professional service like Bookkeeper 360 provides peace of mind. Those using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Since Bookkeeper 360 integrates seamlessly with these popular platforms, it's an excellent choice for businesses already using or planning to use them. Remote or distributed teams. Bookkeeper 360 operates virtually, which is ideal for businesses that are also remote or value digital-first solutions. Cost-effective alternative to in-house. For many small businesses, hiring a full-time in-house bookkeeper or accountant with salary, benefits, and overhead costs can be significantly more expensive than an outsourced service like Bookkeeper 360. When might you not need to pay for Bookkeeper 360? Conversely, there are situations where paying for Bookkeeper 360 might not be the most economical or necessary choice. Very small businesses with simple finances. If you're a solopreneur or a very small business with minimal transactions and straightforward finances, a DIY approach with basic accounting software might suffice. Extremely tight budget. While competitive for the services offered, Bookkeeper 360 is an investment. If your budget is extremely constrained, you might need to stick to a more manual or basic software-only approach for longer. In-house accounting team. If you already have a dedicated and competent in-house bookkeeper or accounting team, Bookkeeper 360 services might be redundant, unless you need highly specialized advisory services they offer. Highly niche industry needs. While Bookkeeper 360 serves various industries, if your business operates in a highly specialized niche with unique accounting requirements, you might need a bookkeeper with very specific industry expertise. Final recommendation. From an accounting software expert standpoint, Bookkeeper 360 is a strong contender for businesses looking to professionalize their financial operations without the overhead of an in-house team. It's particularly well-suited for growth-oriented small to medium-sized businesses that recognize the value of accurate books, timely insights, and expert financial guidance for strategic decision-making. Before committing, I strongly recommend taking advantage of their free consultation. Use this opportunity to discuss your specific business needs, the volume of your transactions, your growth projections, and your desired level of financial insight. Understand clearly what's included in each pricing tier and what might incur additional costs. By doing your due diligence, you can make an informed decision on whether paying for Bookkeeper 360 is the right strategic move to propel your business forward.